Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Pasha Jet. Today we just want to have an introduction to the upcoming video that we'll be doing on this hotel. As can you see, it's a big hotel. It's a massive hotel. When I mean massive, let's see. Let's look at the length for at the ground floor level. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have from this point here to this point here. Let me see. Okay, let me take it again. Let's take it from here, from this point here. Let's just say from this point to this point here. What do we have? Can you see? 46.575 meters. That's 46,575 millimeters. That's length. Is that okay? And by what? That length by, let's take it from here, from this point, from this point to this point. So what is it? We have a 11,700 millimeter. That's 11.7 meters. Can you see it now? So apart from the cantilevers, can you see this additional cantilever at the next floor? So you can see it. So this is a massive hotel. And if you look at this place now, can you see this is a wall? This is a wall. This is also a wall. This is the entrance porch. Can you see? You can see this place. This is a bar. You can see all of this. I'm going to show you the picture. Is that okay? That we are planning to achieve. Is that okay? I'm going to take you step by step. Is that okay? And if you look at this staircase here, can you see this place? You can see this place, how it's looking like. Is that okay? How you come like this way. This place requires a lot of thinking. And if you look at this place, there's extension here. Can you see? It's a special drawing that needs serious attention. So if you now come to the next floor now, can you see it? Can you see that place of staircase? Can you see? It requires a lot of reasoning for you to achieve this place. If not, there will be an issue here. And also, if you now look at it, see this place we are having here. Can you see this place? That's bar at the top. There are rooms, isn't it? So can you see what we have here? And also, if you look at this curve, can you see all of this and all of that? Can you see it? You can see this. You can see from this. You should be able to picture. Can you see? You can see we have a cantilever here now. Can you see the cantilever we are having here? So can you see this cantilever here? Can you see this top? That's first story. Can you see the top of it? Is that okay? And then if you go to the next floor, you don't have it. Can you see? This one now goes up to this one and the rest. Is that okay? So this is what we are trying to achieve. Is that okay? Which I'm going to take you through. So I want to say at this stage now, you should subscribe and also like this particular video so that you can have access to the subsequent video that will be releasing because of this in this particular video, because we are going to start from beginning to the end. When I mean from beginning to the end, I mean from beginning to the end up to the foundation level. Is that okay? We are going to start it and we are going to model this, because this particular place, this particular wall that we are seeing, is not a straight wall. It's a kind of wall that at the top, the length at the top is more than the length at the bottom. Is that okay? How do you model it? All of that we are going to be doing that, and it's shear wall. Is that okay? It's a wall. Is that okay? This one is a wall, and also this one is also a wall. Is that okay? So how are you going to model it such that the top will be, let's say the top is let's say 3 meters. Let's just say the top is 2.5, and at the downside let's say 1 meter. So how do you achieve that? All of that we are going to be doing it in this particular video, and how we are going to be modeling this place, how we are going to reason this place out. Is that okay? All of that we are going to be doing that. And you can see this curve here. Can you see this curve? Can you see it? And you can see this top here. Can you see all of what we are having here? Is that okay? So all of this we are going to be doing, and you can see this wall here. Can you see? These are extensions and all of that. So the architect actually tried. So he reasoned a lot. He reasoned well. Is that okay? So that is that. And can you see this place now? All of this place is a void. Can you see? This particular place is a void. And if this place is a void, so what does that tells us? Can you see this particular place? Can you see? So all of this, if this place is a void, then what happened here? How are you going to handle all of these places, and this place like this, and also all these places like this? So all of that we are going to be explaining in this particular video. As I said today is what is introduction. Is that okay? Today is actually introduction. A lot of discussion will be taking place in this particular video. For example, let me just take you through something. Can you see? So can you see it? So this one have been modeled. So we are going to take you through all of it all over again. Is that okay? I'm going to take you through it again. You can see what I was telling you. Can you see this place now? You can see the top, you can see the bottom. Can you see it now? So we are going to be modeling this. So you can see that top side. Can you see how we have modeled this place? Can you see it now? Can you see how what we have here? Can you see? And that curve, there's a load here. Can you see it now? And you can see all the curve. Can you see all the curve? Can you see it now? So if you look at it, this is a fantastic hotel. Can you see? Can you see how it's looking? It's a big hotel and it's going to be beautiful. Me looking at it, you know that it's a beautiful hotel. Can you see it? You can see the front. Can you see? And all of that. And also at the back here, you have something like this. Can you see? Can you see all what we have at the back? Can you see? So all of this we are going to be explaining in this particular video. As I said, today's own is just what? Introduction. And you can now see how, can you see? These are passages. Can you see up to this and all of that? Is that okay? So that is there. You can now see this foundation that we are having for this. Is that okay? So how to go about it, all of that we are going to be doing it in this particular video. Is that okay? And how do we calculate this place? How did we arrive at this particular point here? How do we arrive at this this toe slab? Is that okay? All of that we are going to be explaining. Is that okay? There are other things I'm going to be explaining when we get there. So, and also how to arrive at this. This one is technical. Is that okay? For you to achieve this, it requires a lot of thinking and a lot of reasoning. Is that okay? So that is that. So let me take you to the other floor. So can you see this place now? Can you see what we have? So you can see them. Can you see all these places? All of this we are going to be explaining. Is that okay? So you can now see all of that, how we have achieved this particular place. Can you see? So how we have achieved this place. There are a lot of reason for this. Is that okay? And something is going to happen here. Is that okay? Around this place. So all of this we are going to be explaining in this video, which is very, very important. It might seem very simple, but I bet you when you start, you will see the challenge that we are talking about. Is that okay? All right. So that is that. Let's go back to it, to the 3D view. So you can now see what we are having. Fantastic model. Can you see? Well model. Can you see it now? So that is that. So that is that. So now that is I want to say you should like this video so that it will go viral, because the more they like, the more YouTube make this video to go viral, because there are a lot of people that how to have this kind of shape, they might find it difficult. Is that okay? They might actually find it difficult, but by the time you click on like button, the YouTube will make this video to go viral, because the more they like, the more YouTube make this video to do what? To go viral. Is that okay? And from there many will learn. As we said in Ekidel, we are not trying to hide any knowledge, because hiding knowledge can lead to what? A serious problem tomorrow for even you that is trying to hide the knowledge, or your family members. Is that okay? So, and that is why it's very important to always click on the like button and also subscribe, even comment. Is that okay? As you comment, it will also make us to do what? To know your mind, and also the area you want us to concentrate on, or your view, all of that. Is that okay? So it's very, very important. Is that okay? So that is that. As you can see it here, you can see it. This is a ground floor. This is the first floor. Okay, no, sorry. This is the ground floor. Can you see the car park area? Can you see it? So this is the car park area. So you can see what we have. This is it, and also this one. Can you see this one here also? Can you see that shape I showed you? Can you see how we are going to achieve all of that? Will be explained in the video. As I said, today is just an introduction. Is that okay? How we are going to do our GA, from GA to export it to ProtaStructure, and from ProtaStructure start our modeling. From there, analyze and design. Is that okay? And also enter to what? Into our foundation. Is that okay? All of that we are going to be checking. Is that okay? All right, that is that. So thank you very much. Till I see you when we start the project fully. Is that okay? When we start from beginning to the end. Can you see? It's an edited plan. Can you see? We have the edited plan. So that's why we want to start all over again. Is that okay? So that is that. So thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video. We want to say bye. Please don't forget to like our videos and also subscribe. Is that okay? You can go to Ekidel YouTube, our YouTube channel, and watch our videos. Is that okay? Watch our video. Take your time to watch our videos and learn some 1 or 2 principles. Is that okay? When it comes to structural design, and we also have what we call the Ekidel group. And this Ekidel group, this is where different structural engineers or even architects have come together. Even architects are also in that group. Structural engineers are in that group. Civil engineers, all of us, we are all together. Is that okay? In that particular group, whereby if you have any challenge, you can post it in that group, and before you know it, as many that are online at that particular time will quickly respond to your question, and as many that will also be coming up online later will also respond to your question. From there, you get knowledge, you get your problem solved. Is that okay? And likewise, since you're in that group, if there's any question that's being asked and you have the answer to it, why not? That's why you're also in that group to do what? To respond and help the person to solve the problem. Is that okay? It's a great group. It's a group whereby knowledge are being shared. No one is hiding knowledge. Is that okay? And where questions are being attended to. Is that okay? So thank you very much. So thank you. Till I see you next time. In our next video, I remain Fashe Ochet. Thank you and bye for now.